What the heck are you doing?
He had the door locked and I was trying to wait. And then he like started going if you don't mind.
The place that we missed, we went to the garage first because this guy said that there's barbecue. And when I look this way on the other side, there's a big ass sign that says barbecue.
Huh.
You're blind?
Basik owns this restaurant, so.
Alright. Time to disassemble this bad boy for paint.
What's up, Basic Media? We're installing the glass today. We got 2 panels in, 2 panels of glass in.
Alright, we're out on location, the oak tree project. You can see behind me that we have most of the railing in place. It's always amazing to me with our door and with our railing. For some reason, glass just makes such a difference. It just makes it look so much more finished. Even though it's a finished painted frame, it's in a finished setting, it just makes it look that much more finished for some reason. It's really wild. But it works on the doors too. Like, we'll have a big, beautiful door in place and everything will be there except the glass, and you can open it, you can close it, and everything is pretty, but it just doesn't look finished till you put the glass in there. This kind of always baffled me from a design perspective. Why does this clear barrier make such a difference in looking at making it look finished? But it does for sure. Looks incredible. So here is the side with the glass in currently, and it's just that like glare, that reflection to me, I guess that makes it look that much more finished. Over here, same stone around it, same steel railing, no glass. It just doesn't look finished. It's crazy. Alright, so what we got on the docket for today is putting in all the frames. You can see Julian carrying those in. Those trim out the glass that once it's installed, and then we're going to tackle this staircase. We have all the railing fabricated. It's here on site. We've just been waiting to install it for carrying all this crap up and down all the time, over and over again. Yeah, you can take Julian. You have my permission to remove the blue pads.
Hey, how you living? Living like you wanted to be. It's been a minute, I just wanted to see what I've been missing what I wanted to leave. So flex on me. Heard you keeping it light, heard you bought a new home, heard you making a lot.
This is a walking bingo. Right now we're on the final push, trying to wrap this job up, putting the frames in. We put all the glass in yesterday, and so this is kind of the last thing to go. Final touches, gonna go around the corner, do the same on the railing over there. Yeah, this job's coming to a close. Everything's looking awesome.
Just had lunch. Julian's gonna finish welding this thing up while we go install the glass.
Just pulled up to a job site in Oak Tree. We're going to be wrapping up. Got this last rail here. Had to take it back and make a few modifications, but it's all lined out now. We're gonna go install it and wrap this whole thing up. There's the rail, last one to go in. Show you where we're installing it at. This is where that last rail is going.
Alright, here we are again. Boys are already here. Let's see if they let's see what they got unloaded. Oh shit, the door's already in there. Alright, let's go check on them. You guys already got it in there, huh?
Yeah, we just got it into place, and it's pretty perfect timing because I'm not exactly sure what we're looking for.
See what we got going on. Ooh. Oh, boys. Alright, so we're in the space. You can see here that this is the wine closet. Those are the office French doors. About ready to start like setting the wine closet. Super pumped. Looks like everything fits just fine. You know, we didn't get to do the wood stuff on the inside. I think it turned out okay, but I'm excited to see it. Again, it's just like once you put glass in this stuff, it changes everything. It's super crazy the way that works. I think it's gonna look awesome. Really relieved with the fit. Looks like we got plenty of room to, you know, move, level, and square things, which is, you know, the way we typically design them. A lot of times clients choose to sheetrock straight up to our product. You can see here, that was the original goal, but we had some variance issues with the original framing. This wall kind of kicks out at the bottom a little bit, so we couldn't really make it all align the way it needed to be able to do that. So he went with this black casing, which I think still looks pretty cool. So I imagine he'll do the same with this wine closet. It'll probably be, you know, a pretty good size black casing that goes all the way around of it. One of the things about this used to be an actual closet, so this tube right here actually supports that corner structurally. So that was one of the important characteristics we had to design around. So I'm excited to knock that piece of framing loose today finally and take some pictures of this thing.
It moved me, now I'm in studio. It's just the path I'm on. I'm in the magic, I track it just to pass it on. So what's your motto say? My motto's on display every day. So what's your motto say? My motto's on display. Walk my talk my way. So what's your motto say? No need to hop away. I'm in my proper place, grateful in it.
Boom. Perfect. That thing wasn't doing crap.
No, it wasn't.
Tireless, vibes come wireless. Riddle me this, whose fire is Tyler is. Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, I spit to tickle my fancy. Been this literate since little with Sandy. Little chimpanzee now, busy expanding. Doing man things, I'll never be fancy, but my status upstanding. Hey, yeah, excuse my hubris, I used to be blue and useless. Make music for improvement and movie, now I'm in studio. It's just the path I'm on. I'm in the magic, I track it just to pass it on. So what's your motto say? My motto's on display every day.
So right now we're working on grinding these frames right now that are going into this door. Dylan's already got all these packed in. These are the tight frames. So first we go ahead and put in the tight frames first, and we get everything primed, and then after that we paint it all black, and put the windows in. And then that loose frame goes up in here. Once the window's in, put the sticky stuff and put the frames on top, so that way everything fits nice and secure. So far everything's going in pretty well, so hopefully we get all these frames knocked out by today. Everything cocked and ready to start priming. Roland's over there sorting out the metal sheets. Julian's caulking up everything, all the corners right now. It looks like all we have to do now is paint it. Maybe caulk, we always caulk both sides, so I think we're gonna have to caulk the other side as well. Make sure there's no light shining in. What are these for, bro?
This is an office door.
Office? Office doors. So these are gonna go inside the office. Nothing too crazy. Keeping it simple. And yeah.
Tight fit. Let's go see what's going on. We got into a situation where they installed some stuff too close to allow us to install our finished glass, so
I don't think I like that word, slice of paradise.
but
There's one thing I put on the truck and then I found it back in the shop. Something that didn't happen. Right then.
cool hat, bro. That's how Carrie loves you to wear it, right? Alright, we're close to done out here, wrapping up this wine closet install. Take you inside, show you what we've done. Starting to rain a little bit. Feeling like we're getting close to fall with this kind of weather.
Is the one in the oh shit. He's recording, bro. So.
Like Julian, when he does that shit, I want to laugh so bad.
So this is our beautiful. See this? Come here. Get a little closer. Look. You see that? Security lock. In case you want to hold some expensive shit, they don't get in. Woo. All handcrafted, handmade.
do you think, Rolando?
Approved. Just do like awkward silence, bro.
Alright, there it is. Done at the Blake residence.
Get that camera out of my face.
Let's go home. Dude, it's sprinkling.
I know you're gonna record, bro.
For ambiance, fire is tireless. Vibes come wireless. Riddle me this, huh? Whose fire is Tyler is? Yeah, I'll wait. Yeah, I spit to tickle my fancy. Been this literate since little with Sandy. Little chimpanzee now. Busy expanding.
Me and Dylan out here trying to get this mono stringer closer to wrapped up before we head out to an install site. Got both landings in place this morning. Had them all built yesterday, and yeah, just laying them out and welding them in right now.
My motto's on display. Walk my talk my way. So what's your motto say? No need to hop away. I'm in my proper place. Grateful in it.
So right now, me and Julian are about to go ahead and weld this piece up right here. It's gonna be about 60 feet long. First off, we're gonna go ahead and tack it up. I don't know if are we gonna do full welds on this? Just tacks?
Stitch welds, like
Oh.
half an inch every 12 inches.
All right. I think this is gonna be for a piece around a garden or something like that. I don't know. I don't know if I've done this before with Basik, but this is gonna be our first time welding this, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. And it's already towards the end of the day, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this up. He's welding right now with the rod. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now, and yep.
So what's your motto say? My motto's on display every day. So what's your motto say? My motto's on display. Walk my talk my way. So what's your motto say? No need to hop away. I'm in my proper place. Grateful in it.